Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kendra if this is your first time here. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this entire makeup look. It is so cute. It's simple, but still there. And this is definitely something you can use for date night, or you can just use it to go out with the girls, or just, you know, have a little drink at the bar, or just to go to the club. Just something really, really light, really simple. And I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, so we're gonna start with a fresh face, and then we're gonna go in with your eyebrow pencil, whichever one that you use. Me, I'm using Stud by MAC. It's a little dark, but I'm gonna use a very light hand because I can't find my spiked pencil. So what you wanna do is go in, brush your brows into place. Brush them right into place. Now, how I like to start my brows is I'll take a little bit of this pencil, start from down here, draw myself a nice little line. And then start to do my brows. See? Then I do light strokes in the front. Brush in. One down, next one to go. Now I'm gonna clean up my brow just a little bit. And I am going to be using my 252 by MAC. And I'm actually gonna go in with NC60 Studio Fix Fluid. Now the thing is with this, I didn't wanna be a little bit too highlighted. I just want it like kind of like a natural highlight. So I'm gonna go in with, it's pretty dark, but not too far away from my skin tone around my brows. So I'm gonna go in with it at the bottom.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can help.
So me, I like to set that concealer a little bit with the Morphe translucent powder. So for my crease color, I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm gonna go in with the color Rustic, which is gonna be this color right here. It's like a natural skin tone color, but it's still deep enough to be in the crease. And of course, we're gonna be using a fluffy brush, and this brush is Morphe M535, which is a really good fluffy brush. And we're gonna go in with the crease. Now I'm going in with my Japanese brush. This doesn't have a number on it, but if you have a MAC 217 brush, that'll work as well. And then I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber in the same Soft Glam palette. Gonna tap it off a little bit, and then we're just gonna give ourselves a little bit more of a deeper crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a cream base shadow. You could use this as an eyeshadow or you could use this as a base, either one. I'm going in with Max Lane Low Prolonged Paint Pot. Now, if you wanted to, you can leave it like this and then kind of blend your crease out. It's up to you. Me, I'm not really wanting such a natural color today. I think I want to add a little bit of a shimmer to the top or something. I'm not sure yet. Okay, now I'm going to go into the Sultry palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this brush that I'm using is going to be the 239 brush. It's like a packer brush. This is the same brush I use to apply the paint pot. And then I'm gonna go in with the color Cinder. Cinder is like this kind of darker bronze with a little hint of brown. So it's like a brownie bronze right here. So it looks very natural. Okay, tap off. And now you want to pack this color on. Now we're gonna go in with your matte liquid liner, whatever liquid liner that you're using. I am actually using the NYX one. It's already matte, it doesn't peel or anything like that. And I'm gonna use my magnifying mirror, and we're gonna go in. Then you're gonna go in with your primer. Today I'm gonna be using the MAC Mineralized Time Check Lotion. If you are a MAC fan or you somebody who doesn't really use primers, this is the one I say that you should invest in. This is my favorite primer ever in life. This is the best one. It's for pretty much everybody's skin tone, but I think it really works because I'm a person who needs a lot of hydration. Even though I'm a little oily, this kind of works so much better because it gives me the hydration that my skin actually needs. So, you know, put this all the way on the whole face. Foundation I'm gonna be using today is gonna be number 205 Tanzania by Juvia's Place. Okay, so after you do that, then I'm gonna go in with number 12 Juvia's Place Concealer. And with this, you really don't need a lot because it's pretty much full coverage as it is. So what I'm gonna do is put one right here, put one right here, and then I'm gonna put one there and one right there. That's all you need. You really don't need a whole lot at all. Then you do your highlight down your nose. And that's pretty much all you need. You really don't need anything else. I'm gonna take the same sponge, but I'm gonna use the opposite side. And I'm gonna start blending this out a little bit. Ooh, looking highlighted, sis.
Another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack. Words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. once you slam the door on the set.
This time I'm gonna be using the Color Perfect foundation stick, and this is from Black Radiance. Here's the brush, that's how it looks. Now, around my nose, I don't want it to be so harsh, so I will be going in with Zambia from Juvia's Place. It's their concealer stick, and that's what I use to contour my nose with. So use the other side of the foundation brush, the foundation sponge. This is what I use to do for the contour. And that's the same side I use for the foundation.
Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through.
Okay, so it's about time. Let's start getting the highlight together.
Time it still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah.
Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe brush. It's a 335. I'm just gonna blend out my contour right here on my nose. And you're gonna take your Morphe translucent powder. You're gonna take your same beauty blender, whatever sponge you're using, and you want to go right in the crevice right here.
You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right.
And you take your brush. I have no clue of what brush this is. I've had it for like a good 3 to 4 years, so not really sure whose brush this is. But all you need is like an angle brush, which some places I think call it contour brush. I take a little bit of my, what's this? Anastasia mahogany powder. This is how it looks. Contour needs to be set. So you want to go back in with your MAC Studio Fix powder. This one is in NW44. This one is what is going to lighten me up just a little bit with a little bit more of that yellow tone. This is what's going to give me that matte finish. And because I'm using a fluffy brush, it's not going to give me any coverage. It's literally just going to dust across. And I kind of want to mix a little bit of my highlight and my contour with a little bit of foundation so that there gives it a little bit of a, so you know, so it doesn't leave that demarcation line a little bit. It looks a lot more blended out. Okay. Today I'm gonna go in with a discontinued blush by MAC. It is called Ambering Rose. It has a little bit of a rosy color to it with a little bit of shimmer. So it's very sheer toned. So it's gonna look like it's just a little dust across the cheeks. I start from the back and work my way forward with the same fluffy brush because this is a 2-in-1 brush. This is a blush / powder brush. So like I said, this is the 129, and you kind of just want to give yourself a little bit of, I do a laughing sensation. I do like both. I do up because then your cheeks go up, and then I do it when it's down and blend it out so that even if I smile or I'm not smiling, you're always gonna see that little flush of color in the right proper. The best part, I know everybody's looking like, you still got powder in your nose. Yes, I know. I want that to stay on there as long as I possibly can get it because I want that to be so highlighted where when I take my pictures, you see a snatched nose, honey. Now I'm gonna take a little tissue, wipe off a little bit of that foundation that may have gotten on my lips while I was doing my face. Then I'm gonna go in with MAC Prep and Prime Lip because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be going in with a matte lip or not, but put this all over my lips. Take Morphe's black liner, and this is going to be in Lights Out. This is their eye crayon pencil. I'm gonna bring my lid down just a little bit, put some black liner in here. I am going to go in with Morphe's Trendsetter Liner. If you have Chestnut by MAC, that will also work as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with MAC's lipstick in Sexy. And this is like a really cute nude. It's not matte, it is actually an amplified, so that means it's in between. It's not too matte, it's not too shiny. It's kind of like an in between. I'm going with that. I'm gonna go in with Le Flare lashes. Now the mascara I'm gonna be using is MAC's in Extreme Dimension. This is the most popular mascara that they have, and this will give you everything that you could possibly want and need in a mascara. It's gonna give you the volume, the curl, the extension, lashes on 1,000. And you take your brush that you already have and just kind of, with no product on it, and just dust off all the excess powder. And then you take your whatever setting spray that you have. I'm gonna be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist today. Shake this up. So everyone, this is the look. I really hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.